Hello and welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make an incredible Amazon print ready KDP book cover. I've got an example here for the poo that wouldn't flush, and it's really extremely simple, probably the easiest and most straightforward tool that you're ever going to use when it comes to creating a cover for Amazon. So I'm going to go over to the website. It's called kdpeasy.com. You'll need to register an account. If you go to the home page, you'll see it gives you an overview of what it does and how it works. But yeah, create an account. Once you're signed in, you go to the dashboard section and you'll see you've got all these different options for different tools that are available. We're actively in the process of building out all of the different tools that you can use on the website. So for example, there's a keyword research tool. You can just type some details in there. I can show you how that works in a different video, but yeah, adult colouring book, click research and it'll spin off. Here's one I did earlier. So purple kangaroos word search gives you a keyword scores, competition, buyer intent, all the kind of key information that you'd want to know. But that's not why we're here today, so I'm going to go on to show you the cover. So this is an example. Click on new cover and immediately get your options to configure what the book size is, binding, what interior you want, what paper type. So lots of different options available. You can also upload your manuscript. So if you've already made your book, just upload the PDF file here and it'll automatically detect the page count. Now what I thought I'd do for this demonstration is I've gone onto Amazon and I found a book that somebody else has published. Obviously it's objective. Objectively, to me, the cover could be better. Entirely up to you what you think. But I'm going to use this for demonstration purposes. So it's a superheroes word search. I can see here it's got 109 pages. So we're going to use that for our demonstration. So I'm going to put 109 pages in there. We know it's paperback, likely black and white, 6x9. And then we're going to take some of the details. So I can see that the author is there. We know it's a word search aimed at children. What else have we got? Oops, I clicked on that. Right, superheroes word search, ultimate edition, epic. So let's put that in there. Subtitle, we'll take that out. We're going to get it to automatically generate a blurb for the back of the book. Actually, we'll give it this content. We'll see how we get on. Sorry, I've got a dodgy mouse. Put that in there. We're going to. You don't have to. This is entirely optional. I just find that it helps. So, automatically generate our marketing copy. Okay, unleash your inner hero. It's got lots of details about the word search book, featuring 3,653 thoughtfully selected keywords. Yeah. Right. We want to go for. Let's go for an illustrated book cover, and we'll go for a playful. Obviously, it's a children's word search book. Playful, bold, and energetic for the mood. Go to next step, and then that's it. Click generate cover, and then we just need to sit back and wait for the cover to produce. You don't have to stay on this page while it's producing. So, you know, we can go and do other things, leave the page running. Equally, we can browse the website. You can see that it's deducted from the credit balance. You've got the history. Here's some that I've made earlier. You can see superheroes word search is in production at the moment. It's processing. I mean, I can show you some other features while that's loading. So we've got an affiliate program. You can join the affiliate program if you share the links with your family, friends, post it online. You can get 20% commission. And let's see. We are still processing. It does normally take maybe a minute, maybe 2 minutes to generate the cover. But you can see we've got lots of, these are all for demonstration purposes, but lots of previous covers. And there you go, covers ready, redirecting. And with any luck, I'll refresh the page. Here we go. Here is our superhero word search. Now, maybe I'm biased, but what's likely to do better in the rankings? This or this? This or this? Up to you. But I know which one I think would which one will convert better. Yeah, follow for more tools to come. Thanks.